Hi there. Let's take a look at the. I'll start with the weekly chart to show you the Wyckoff market structure, then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. This is education content only, not financial advice. From a Wyckoff perspective, NEAR is currently at the testing stage of the accumulation cycle. Typically, it's range bound, and the most important weekly support level is 1.6 that's currently being tested. The major resistance level is the 1.96 green line over here. Weekly volume has declined to a pretty low level. Actually, we can say it is almost the lowest across entire 2 to 3 years. Okay, basically, it can't be any lower unless nobody trades it. And in terms of the daily chart, it has just fallen outside of the ascending channel that started somewhere in February, but we already know it broke that channel before. So currently, this new downtrend that has been going on, if we measure this using a new channel box, the trend is still new. So we have to be cautious that adjustments may be needed later on. Assuming this is the rate of descent that it is going through, then what we see over here is that there is a potential 2 C's decision date. The first C is continuation of the trend, meaning it is going to break the 1.6 support, or a change of trend, finding support along the yellow key level and comes back to challenge the higher boundaries. So this date points to the 6th of August. All right. So when the trade gets closer and closer to that date, meaning this triangle over here, it is getting closer to the decision point. The bulls and the bears have to decide which way to go. If you're interested to access these sessions 2 days earlier, like current channel members, join them now. See you in the next one. Thank you.